and welcome to the 27th Annual Fine Arts Assembly. This is our first live assembly since 2019, and we are excited to present in person. Let's thank the jazz band for their performance, and we will hear more from them later. To present the Harvard Book Prize Award, we would like to welcome Harvard University alumni, Mr. Jim Griffin, to present the Harvard Book Award to one of our deserving English students.
Good morning, Wadsworth. Great to be back with you after a few years. I am here, as you just heard, to present the Harvard Book Award. And before I announce the individual who will receive the award, I wanted to tell you just a little bit about it. The Harvard Book Prize program was established by Harvard alumni way back in 1910. It was part of an effort to attract the attention of talented young students at that time to the opportunities available to them at Harvard College. In the program's first years, the prize book was awarded at only a handful of schools in the New England area, but today nearly 2,000 books are sponsored by local Harvard alumni and awarded at schools all over the world. The prize book is awarded to an outstanding student in the next graduating class who displays excellence in scholarship and high character combined with achievement in other fields. The winners of this award, through their intelligence and variety of achievement, exemplify Harvard's commitment to excellence. In keeping with these high standards and expectations, the Harvard Prize Book at Wadsworth High School for the year 2023 is awarded to Lizzie Edwards.
The Wadsworth High School Winter Guard recently finished their 9th season. The group competes against other winter guards throughout the state of Ohio, and for the second time have been named state champions. Their 2023 show is entitled A Life That Has Been Loved. Here is the Wadsworth High School Winter Guard.
Took a supermarket flyer from the window to the day of tea and the cup. Packed up the soul of the mess you had made, memories of life that's been lost. Took the get-wells and cars and stuff done. For the ocean's big something. Dad always told me, don't you cry when you're down, but Mom never did every time it happened. Oh, I'm in pieces, tearing me up, but I know a heart that's broke is a heart that's been lost, so I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you be there holding me up. cheek and wipe a tear from the side of my face. Now that I know what it is, and I know the life with love is a life that's been lived, so I think I'll lay me up. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you were holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. When God takes me back, say hallelujah.
Next up, to present the Groom Awards, please welcome Carly Surratt and Lily Chesborough.
Hello, I'm Carly Surratt. Lily's not here, but I am the editor-in-chief of the Wadsworth Bruin, and I'm grateful and proud to say that news coverage is always been important for Wadsworth High School. As the co-editor-in-chief of the paper, The Bruin, I've gotten to see the staff grow and work hard and push the truth to our student body. This year, the Bruin came first place in the state of Ohio for our news website and second place for our magazine. It's an absolute honor to present the students who will continue on its excellence and tell the stories that need to be told. I'm proud to announce that the next year, our co-editors-in-chief will be Haley Ruby and Katie Allen. Haley will be in charge of our website, and Katie will lead the in-print paper. I feel confident that they will uphold the true spirit of the Bruin and guide the new staff members and push themselves with the help of the editors whom I will list now. Alex Banks, news editor; Leslie Tinney, social media editor; Drew Bowerman, features editor; Lizzie Edwards, in-depth editor; Grace Barrett, entertainment editor; Sydney Blake, sports editor; Brooke Bothman, opinion editor; and Mallory Gershutz, business manager. I congratulate all of you and wish the best of luck in the upcoming year. Thank you for your dedication and ambition.
In multiple performances around town during our holiday tour. Additionally, they sponsor multiple singing and dancing opportunity camps for the community. This year, Rhythm and Red had the opportunity to sing during prime time at the Cavs game. They recently competed on Music in the Parks, Kings Island, where Rhythm and Red received first place with a superior rating in the show choir division. The mass choir, made up of students from multiple choirs, took second place with a superior rating in the mixed concert choir division. Tickets are on sale now for our spring vocal concert and night at the Grammys, today and tomorrow at 7 p.m. in the PAC. We hope to see you there. Now, Rhythm and Red will perform Think, and the combined choirs will perform We Are the World 2530.
There comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one.
There are people dying,
And it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can't go on pretending day by day that's a one. Somehow we'll soon make a change.
we are all a part of God's great big family, and the truth, love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones to make a brighter day, so let's start giving.
There's that choice we are saving our lives.
It's true, make a brighter day, just you and me. Well, send them your heart, so they know that someone cares.
Right for help, happy day. Right now, we need a helping hand.
We are the children, we are the ones to make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's a choice we're making, we're saving our own lives. Just you and me. When you're down and out, there seems no hope at all. But if you just believe, there's no way we can fall. Well, let us realize that change can only come in need. Stand together as one, as one. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones to make a brighter day, so let's start giving, let's start giving. Here's a choice we're making, we're saving our lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me.
We all need somebody that we can lean on. When you're breaking and look around and see your dream die. When the earthquakes will help you make it through the storm. When the floor breaks, some magic carpet to stand on.
We are the world united by love so strong. When the radio isn't on, you can hear the song. A guiding light on the dark road you're walking on. A signpost to find the dreams you focused on.
Someone to help you move the obstacles you stumbled on.
Someone to help you rebuild after the rubble's gone.
We are a world united by a common bond.
Love, the whole planet singing along.
We are the world, we are the children. Ones to make a brighter day, so let's start giving. So let's start giving. So the choice we're making, we're saving our own lives. It's true, make a better day, just you and me. We are the world.
deserving students for the language that they are in Student of the Year. We're going to start with French. This student is an amazing student who always arrives in class with a smile, has a fun attitude. He exerts a very positive influence in class, and his responses to class discussions are always delightful and insightful. His work in French has always been exemplary, and he puts forth his best efforts. He's a joy to work with and is certain to go far in life. This student, congratulations, Matthew Kittle. Our next award goes to the Latin Student of the Year. This student is a wonderful young man who has achieved the highest scores in all 4 years of Latin. He's always positive and kind and a genuine pleasure to teach. Our award goes to Jack Edwards. Excelled all 4 years in Spanish. All of his teachers have truly enjoyed having him, including myself. He is a very hard-working and polite person. When he works in Spanish, he shows a great creativity, and he always goes above and beyond what is asked of him. Last year, I nominated him for my Student of the Month, and I'm very proud that he is our Spanish Student of the Year. Congratulations to David Maroon.
Next up, the WHS Drama Department has had another successful year. This fall, we presented the American Literary Classic, Little Women, followed by the Jazz Age musical, Chicago. This spring, we presented our second musical production with Fiddler on the Roof and ended our season with the hilarious parody of a certain wizarding school, Puffs. The production of Fiddler on the Roof was also a part of the Playoff Square Jazz Award adjudication process, competing against 32 other high schools, and has earned a nomination in the category of Best Student Orchestra. Can the members of the student orchestra for Fiddler on the Roof please stand and be recognized? Students will also represent our drama program by performing on the Playoff Square State Theater stage on May 20th during the Dazzle Awards presentation. Now, Fiddler on the Roof is set in the little village of Onatevka and centers on Tevye, a poor milkman and his 5 daughters. With the help of a colorful and tight-knit Jewish community, Tevye tries to protect his daughters and instill in them with traditional values in the face of changing social mores and growing anti-Semitism of 1905 Tsarist Russia. Performing tradition is the cast of our spring musical, Fiddler on the Roof.
A fiddler on the roof. Sounds crazy, no. But in our little village of Anatevka, you might say every one of us is a fiddler on the roof, trying to scratch out a pleasant, simple tune without breaking his neck. It isn't easy. You may ask, why do we stay up there if it's so dangerous? We stay because Anatevka is our home. And how do we keep our balance? That I can tell you in one word. Tradition! Here in Anatevka, we have traditions for everything. How to eat, how to sleep, how to work, how to wear clothes. For instance, we always keep our heads covered and always wear a little prayer shawl. This shows our constant devotion to God. Now, you may ask, how do these traditions start? Well, I'll tell you. I don't know, but it's a tradition. Because of our traditions, everyone knows who he is and what God expects him to do. town village, they have a much bigger circle. His Honor, the Constable, His Honor, the Priest, and His Honor, many others. We don't bother them, and they don't bother us. Among ourselves, we get along perfectly well. Of course. There was this one time when he sold him a horse and he delivered a mule, but that's all settled now. Now we live in simple peace and harmony, and it was a mule.
It was a horse. It was a mule.
Tradition. Without our traditions, our lives would be as shaky as a fiddler on the roof.
Now, the outstanding drama student of the year is Miles Fortner. This fall, our marching band performed at all varsity football games and local band shows. In the winter, instrumental music students participated in the LMEA Solo and Ensemble Contest and several concerts for the community. Additionally, the Wind Ensemble and Symphonic Band received superior ratings at the LMEA Large Group Contest. The band also performed in the community for the Blue Parade, the Candlelight Walk, and will be performing in the marching in the Memorial Day Parade. Over winter break, the marching band traveled to Atlanta, Georgia to perform in the Beach Bowl parade and pregame. The marching band was awarded first place in their division and grand champion of the parade. Next, the wind ensemble, or the Wadsworth Jazz Band, is composed of members of the trumpet, trombone, saxophone, and percussion sections of the Wadsworth Band program, as well as several students that double on piano and bass in order to fill out our rhythm section. These students auditioned and joined the ensemble because they wanted to extend their performance opportunities beyond concert, pep, and marching band, and into the diverse styles associated with the jazz idiom. We play a wide array of music across many genres and styles. The jazz band will now perform just the two of us. Molly Kubilis. The speech and debate team has had an outstanding season this year, breaking many school records. The team includes students from all grades competing in individual events ranging from debate, public speaking, and acting. The team qualified 22 students to the state tournament and earned 7th place as a team. Several WHS students earned top placement at the tournament. They included Leia Gonzalez-Benog, Anna Wallace, Cale Brewers, Evie Silliman, James Welsh, Ben Wilkinson, and Colin Moore. Additionally, 10 students have earned qualification to the national tournament in June. Today, Cale Brewers and Evie Silliman will perform their duo interpretation, Sibs. Duo interpretation aims to recreate a story with characters and emotions without making direct eye contact or touch. Cale and Evie are the Eastern Ohio Duo champions for the 2nd year and were 3rd in the state at this year's state tournament. And now, Cale Brewers and Evelyn Silliman will perform Sibs.
So you're really gonna call her?
I'd like to keep in touch. You?
Isn't that kind of weird? Like, who is she? She's Dad's girlfriend?
She's a very nice lady.
Yeah, she's a very nice lady.
Stop it. She was very good to Dad.
I think he really loved her.
Okay, that's it.
You wanna grab a drink?
No, I really can't. I gotta get going.
Okay, let me drive you back to her hotel. Just need to grab my keys.
Okay, then you take me to the airport?
Airport? What are you talking about? I thought you'd stay for a few more days.
No, I'm not. I'm sure I told you.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes!
No!
Yes! Oh, look at my fish!
See, she's making that noise! See?
Since I have monkey
She
arms!
does have monkey arms! And she's hitting me with her disgusting ow! See?
I'm sorry. I just assumed you knew.
There's still a lot left to do. I just thought this was an opportunity for us to spend more time together. We're siblings now. We're orphans now. The relationship between siblings is often fast and furious.
Anchored in a poignant moment after the death of both of their parents, adult siblings, Diane and Richard, must deal with their parents' estate.
Through this process, they must re-examine the relationship and realize their flaws something, their connection.
Because as Anne had said, a sibling is a lens through which you see your childhood.
Six, by Diane Flax and Richard Greenwood. There's still a lot left to do, getting the will probate, lawyer stuff, the death certificate, that kind of stuff, right?
Right, but I don't have to sit here in the city, right?
Right, but somebody needs to do it now.
You know what, I'll do it. Just give me the number of the lawyer.
Excuse me?
I'll go for all on distance.
You can't change a person. Don't get tough. She takes off.
I take care of everything. I don't say a word, and then if he lifts a finger, we all have to bow down.
You do something his way. Always. It's not fair. Stop it. Stop talking.
Stop talking me.
She's coming. Get it. You can't do that. Don't touch that.
Yes, that's facts.
You can't do that. You can't change the rules.
Yes, I can. I'm another thing. There's anything I say no. Say it. No. Say it. No. Who's your boss? Who's your boss?
You are. I'm gonna tell Mom, and you're gonna be in big trouble. Mom!
What's your problem?
Nothing has changed. What? The details of your life are too petty?
What is that supposed to mean?
If you have any idea what it's like to be your brother,
Do you know it's like being your sister?
the whole family laughs at you behind your back. Hey, shh! Make up my day.
You smell like potatoes.
Come on, we're gonna go upstairs.
Oh, I want to sleep here.
You really gotta stop doing this.
Shut up.
Fine, I'll just leave you.
No, don't.
Shh! If Mom and Dad find you like this again, you'll be back for the rest of your life.
Why are you being so nice to me?
Trust me. Big time.
I love you.
Yeah, whatever.
Uh-oh.
What? How's college?
Boring. Listen, Mom told me about the hockey tournaments.
I don't want to talk about it. Alright? Just had one bad game.
You must have been really disappointed.
I said I don't want to talk about it.
Fine.
Fine!
So, how's Rochelle?
Fine. How's Peter?
He's my roommate, and he's gay, so it's not like... Would you have a problem with that?
No, but Mom and Dad think you two are a couple.
What did you say?
I said I didn't know. So, are you going to tell them?
No. I don't know, just let them think. What's the big deal, okay?
Okay. So, what's her name?
Suzanne?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
hey!
hey, good to see you. It's been a while.
So, how's Rochelle?
Great.
How's Utah?
Good.
So you're happy.
Yeah.
You like.
So, are you working?
Yeah, lots of irons and lots of fires.
You like.
Still trying to stay creative and don't want to get all corporate.
Oh, sure.
What is that supposed to mean?
Nothing. I just agree with you.
Fine.
Fine.
Fine. Stop it! Stop copying me! She's copying me!
I don't know how we're going to solve
Why
this.
don't you just give me a list of things I need to do? If it's phone calls, I can do phone calls.
See, I don't want to have to do all the thinking. Just sit down.
I don't want to do that right now. Hey!
I'm worried about her. She's getting old. I think she might be getting Alzheimer's. She tells me the same stories
She
over.
does that to you too?
Yeah. So, what are we going to do?
I don't know. Can you stay during the week? I'll stay the weekends.
What? She needs around-the-clock care.
No, not yet.
She needs you put in a home, Diane.
No, we can handle
Oh,
it.
what do you mean we? I'm here. You're 4 miles away.
I'm not asking for you to do it on your own. I'm just saying. I need a couple of weeks. I don't want to go through their stuff right now.
I did not come here to argue with you. That's not what I came here to do. Our father just died.
Well,
You're just assuming I'm going to do it all.
I'm not going to go through their stuff like a couple of vultures saying, I want this, I want that. You take this. How about we sell this and make a few bucks?
Is that truly what you think I'm saying?
Well, that's what it sounds like.
Fine! If you go home, I'll do it! Diane,
Do you know I've been here alone this whole time? You've always had your wife and your children to go home to. My whole life is in another city.
Diane,
No.
I think me and Rochelle is good. I have no one to go home to. No one to talk to. Diane, this is a chance for us to... Sure, to reconnect in the past, but we haven't always cared about what's going on in my life.
That's not true.
Come on. Be honest. How often do we speak?
Well, how often do you call
I
me?
tried calling you, but let me see if that was bothering me, so I stopped.
Do you know when you call me, don't ask anything about my life?
I've tried to, but you just don't go there, Diane!
Try me.
Okay. Sure. How's Suzanne? I heard you two were in some trouble. Are you still together?
Oh boy, that makes me really want to
Yeah,
talk
no.
about it. Are you still together? What's the point of talking to you? It's like two idiot strangers trying to talk to each other. Why can't you admit it? Why can't you admit we have nothing to say to each other? We're not friends!
friends?
I don't know.
I want you to promise me something. My mind, all full of tunes. I want you to promise me that. Come on.
I'll shoot you.
I don't want anything violent.
I'll hire someone.
Please, no.
You won't even know it's coming.
You promise?
I love you.
No. No.
Thank you.
The outstanding speech and debate student of the year is Colin Moore. Here to represent art is Glenn McNeil.
This year's AP art class may have been the best Mr. Derrick has ever had here at Wadsworth High School. At the 90 County Art League Senior Scholarship Show, they took home 5 of the top 6 scholarships that they've ever handed out. Alex Triplett won Best of Show, Olivia Connor won first, Christina Shen second, and Kelsey Hertzler won third. Olivia Under also won a scholarship for one of her paintings. In all, they took home over $6,000 in scholarship money. At this year's Fine Arts Festival, Kelsey Hertzler won first place for overall portfolio. Christina Shen won second, and Alora Terry won third place. Olivia Under won overall Best of Show for an individual art piece. For his hard work and creativity, Mr. Derrick has named Alex Triplett as his Artist of the Year.
All right, presenting Teacher of the Year are Miles Fortner and Colin Moore.
Good morning, everyone. It is an honor to stand here today and celebrate our National Honor Society Teacher of the Year. Teaching is a noble profession, and it takes a special kind of person to make a real difference in students' lives. Today, we are here to recognize one such person.
Absolutely, Miles. The Teacher of the Year Award is a recognition of the hard work, dedication, and commitment to excellence. It is awarded to those who go above and beyond to make sure their students get the best possible education. To ensure the teacher meets these standards, a ballot is sent out to the student body where they have a chance to vote. After 400 votes, we had a clear winner.
This teacher is not only knowledgeable, but he is also a great person. He's a very relatable teacher and takes good care of his students if they're in need of any help. He is supportive of all of his students and never fails to put a smile on students' faces at some point in the class period.
That's right, Miles. This teacher has had a special gift for making class entertaining and taking in our actual opinions. He makes the subject matter interesting and relatable, which makes it easier for every student to learn.
This teacher has made a significant impact on our lives and helped us achieve our goals. He is the kind of teacher who cares about his students and wants them to succeed in life.
So, without further ado, we would like to announce the winner of this year's National Honor Society Teacher of the Year Award, and the winner is Mr. Bedford.
Congratulations, Mr. Dunn. Thank you for being an exceptional teacher and for making a difference in our lives. We are proud to have you as our